Let's make some vegan lemon ice cream. Make sure to wash these guys really, really well because we're gonna be putting the whole thing into the ice cream. Just cut off both ends of the lemon into a blender. Whole can of coconut milk and maple syrup. We'll blend this bad boy up. Okay, I really didn't look into this recipe. I would think you need to strain it, so that's what I'm gonna do. It smells really good. That's promising. So I'm supposed to put this in an ice tray and freeze it, but I don't have one, so it's going in like this. Okay, so I had this in for like an hour, and I saw a recipe where you have to throw it back into the blender, but I'm just gonna mix it around with my spoon and see if I can get ice cream out of it. There you have it. There's your ice cream. Really good. Good job, vegans.